Imagine for a moment peering into the deepest, darkest corners of the cosmos. We often picture galaxies as brilliant islands of stars, nebulae as luminous clouds of gas and dust, and black holes as gravitational titans. But what if the universe held structures so vast, so ethereal, that they defy our very imagination? What if, sprawling across an expanse a million light-years wide, there existed a creature of pure energy, a tentacled leviathan silently drifting through the intergalactic void, a cosmic jellyfish? This isn't the premise of a new science fiction epic, nor is it the wild musings of a dreamer. This is a very real, very puzzling discovery that has left astronomers around the globe quite literally scratching their heads. Scientists have recently unveiled a mammoth, tentacled structure sprawling across the cosmos, a mysterious mass of charged particles so immense it stretches for over 1 million light-years. They've dubbed it the USS Jellyfish, and it is unlike anything ever seen before. When we think of extraterrestrial life, our minds might conjure images of little green men or perhaps microscopic organisms thriving on distant planets. But the universe, in its boundless creativity, seems to have orchestrated something far grander and infinitely more alien. This cosmic jellyfish isn't biological in the way we understand it. Instead, it is an intricate expanse of space that emits powerful radio waves, a structure so unique it has been described as the first known polyphonics. It truly challenges our perception of what a structure in space can even be. The story of the USS Jellyfish began, perhaps fittingly, not with a seasoned veteran of astronomical exploration, but with an Australian student named Torrance Hodgson. It was 2017, and Torrance was immersed in his graduate research project, meticulously sifting through data from radio telescopes. In the vast streams of information, a faint, unusual signal flickered into view. At first, he found it hard to believe. The signal was so peculiar, so unexpected, that his initial thought, a very human thought, was simply, "I must have made a mistake." The universe, after all, isn't supposed to throw such bizarre cosmic curveballs. But Torrance, with the unwavering spirit of a true researcher, didn't dismiss his anomaly. He dug deeper, meticulously re-examining his findings. It was this persistence that ultimately led him and his advisor, the brilliant Professor Melanie Johnston-Hollett, to the astounding realization that what they had found was no error. Lurking within the Abell 2877 galaxy cluster, a celestial neighborhood already teeming with gravitational drama, was this unique, sprawling entity, the USS Jellyfish. It was a moment that underscored the profound power of curiosity and the willingness to question the expected. Now, you might be wondering about the name. USS Jellyfish immediately brings to mind naval vessels and deep-sea exploration. However, in this cosmic context, the acronym USS bears no relation to the US Navy. Instead, it stands for something far more esoteric and frankly vital to its very detection: ultra-steep spectrum. This designation is crucial because it refers to a very specific characteristic of this cosmic wonder. The USS Jellyfish only appears on a narrow band of low-frequency radio waves. Think of it like a ghost only visible under a very particular kind of light, or a whisper audible only on a very specific frequency. This characteristic is precisely why it remained hidden for so long, evading the gaze of conventional telescopes tuned to other wavelengths. So, what exactly is this million-light-year-wide radio emission, and how did it come to be? Scientists naturally have begun to speculate, piecing together cosmic clues to unravel its origins. One prevailing theory, as compelling as it is vast, suggests that the gargantuan structure is made of the remnants of matter violently spewed out by black holes. Not just any black holes, but supermassive black holes located within the Abell 2877 cluster, and not recently, but an astonishing 2 billion years ago. Picture the scene. 2 billion years ago, immense black holes, the universe's ultimate engines of destruction and creation, underwent powerful bursts of activity, perhaps devouring stars or merging with other black holes. In these cataclysmic events, jets of superheated plasma and charged particles would have been ejected at nearly the speed of light, roaring across the nascent galaxy cluster. Over billions of years, these ancient energetic outflows would have diffused, cooled, and spread, slowly painting this enormous, ghostly portrait of their past violence across the void. What we are seeing now, through the sensitive eyes of our radio telescopes, is the faint, echoing afterglow of that ancient cosmic storm. It's like discovering the fossilized footprint of a dinosaur, except this footprint is 1,000,000 light-years across, made of invisible energy, and left by the most powerful objects in the universe. This discovery, born from a student's keen eye and confirmed by collaborative scientific rigor, reminds us that the universe is an endless source of wonder and mystery. It constantly challenges our assumptions and expands our understanding of what is possible. The USS Jellyfish is not just a scientific curiosity, it's a testament to the fact that even in the vastness we believe we comprehend, there are still titanic, beautiful, and utterly bizarre phenomena waiting to be found. It speaks to the incredible scale of cosmic events and the deep, rich history etched into the fabric of space-time. As we continue to peer deeper into the dark, listening to the universe's ancient whispers, we are reminded of how much more there is to learn. The cosmic jellyfish, with its ultra-steep spectrum and its billion-year-old origins, floats as a silent sentinel, urging us to keep exploring, to keep questioning, and to marveling at the boundless creativity of the cosmos. What do you think about this incredible discovery? Does the idea of such immense ethereal structures captivate your imagination? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this journey into deep space intriguing, please consider following for more cosmic explorations.